ingombe nirimanga, pesa pesa ingombe nirimanga, pesa mnyororo gani ingombe nirimanga, pesa ingombe nirimanga, pesa mnyororo gani ingombe nirimanga, pesa pesa ingombe nirimanga, pesa mnyororo gani mama we mama ingombe 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 mama yeah 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 mama ingombe 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 wo yo wo mama ingombe yeah yeah yeah
hey tafadhali unasimama una dance kidogo ndio nione una dance, unaenda una surf pale, una dance tu kidogo unaenda una surf pale.
To Liz and Fred, I want to just congratulate you for this milestone that you've achieved today. It's been a journey and it was a privilege to be your best maid during your special day today.
Okay, I met Fred in 2001. No, in 2003.
Omera make. Aya. Tuchape round moja ndio tuende bwana. Koka Nyasembo keti. Aya. Makulut. Twende.
I just want to wish you all the best.
I see you see me. I look you look me. I love you. Love me, I love you, but let us go. Hey. Let us mention the body sauti.
Great food that I prepared for us all. Cut it with love. And God will bless you. So I will love that song of Kata Keki so that we can wow. Got the other side. Thank you. Alamakolasya mwayetu aiba. Ndio huyo sasa. Haya. Wapi kelele yake? Alamakolasya mwayetu aiba. Kwani Fred ako wapi? Haya, apokee. Alamakolasya mwayetu aiba. Haya, fote. Take your time, pole.
I thank God for you. I thank God for giving me you. I love you.